Hi, I'm Falan, once again back with SkyMet Weather Report. Here's a look at the happenings across the country, starting with the wind patterns. Tomorrow, humid easterly winds will be blowing across the plains of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, including East Uttar Pradesh. Light westerly winds will take over from here and extend up to northeast India. Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra will come under the purview of westerly winds as well. Humid southwesterly winds blowing over the east coast and interiors will become westerlies on the west coast. Moving on to clouds, tomorrow most parts of the country will be cloudy, starting from Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh to Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and extending up to Bihar. Scattered clouds could also be seen over Karnataka, Kerala, coastal Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Let's take a look at rainfall now. Tomorrow will be a rainy day across the northern plains, extending up to Bihar and West Bengal. Delhiites, keep yourself prepared for another spell of rain. Isolated showers are expected in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, coastal Tamil Nadu and Kerala. With that, we'll move on to the temperatures, beginning with northeast and northeast India. Maximums in parts of North India could drop below 20 degrees as rain is likely tomorrow. In East India, temperatures will remain in low 20s. A cloudy weather will keep the minimums above 10 degrees in North and East India. Night temperatures will be a few notches higher in Northeast India. Maximum in Delhi will be 22 while minimum will be around 12 degrees. In Kolkata, maximum and minimum will be 29 and 20 degrees. Moving on to central India, here as well, rain will keep the maximums at a comfortable level. In Maharashtra and adjoining Madhya Pradesh, day temperatures will remain in mid-20s. Minimums in entire central India will settle in the range of 12 to 14 degrees. Maximum and minimum temperatures of Bhopal will be 25 and 15 degrees respectively. Bhubaneswar will be partly cloudy with maximum and minimum at 34 and 12 degrees. Let's take a quick look at South India now. Maximums in the east coast will settle around 30 degrees. The west coast will be hotter while the interiors of South India remains the hottest region in the country with maximums around 35 degrees. Minimums will be in the range of 21 to 24 degrees. Maximum and minimum of Mumbai will be 31 and 20 degrees respectively. Bangalore will be partly cloudy with maximum and minimum at 32 and 18 degrees. That was today's weather update for India. For more info on weather and weather-related topics, look through our website skymetweather.com.